Hello everybody.
This is Steve.
And Alex.
And today we're going to be giving you a command blocks tutorial on how to get a command block and how to use it. Now, command blocks are really cool because you can basically kind of make whatever you want with them. It's kind of like coding in Minecraft. So I made this. You flip on the switch and launches creepers. It's a cannon. And then you can switch it off. We want it to stop doing creepers. Okay, another thing we built with command blocks is this. It's a sheep volcano.
Yes, it's a sheep volcano. And this is how you make sheep blow away in the wind. AKA
Yes.
the migraine sheep.
That was kind of strange. Say that.
They fly away.
Oh, or you can go in slow-mo mode, which is where the sheep move really slow. Okay, everybody. Now, Alex will explain how to get a command block.
Hello everybody, now this is Alex, and I will explain how to get a command block. So you're going to want to open your chat, and then in it type /give @s, which means you're giving it to yourself, command _block. Now the underscore is going to replace the space in command block, and then you're going to click enter for the computer, and then you have a command block.
Okay, everyone, so once you place down your command block, you have to be in creative and have operator to open it, and then you can open it up, and you'll see this. Now, it's not as confusing as it looks. Where it's just the command input, that's where you type in your command. And then over here are just a few settings for your command. Now, I want to show you the block type. You can set it to impulse, chain, or repeat. So, for example, if you set it to impulse, which is like the default setting, you put someone creeper, which makes a creeper, and you got a lever, and you pulled it, it would make a creeper. Now, if you were to set it to repeat, and you pulled it, it would repeat it a bunch of times and make a bunch of creepers. Oh no. There we go. Now, the final mode is chain. So that's basically if you want more than one command to run, because you can only type one command in one command block. If you want more to run at the same time, you can put them like this, sideways, all facing each other. Set these to chain, and conditional, and always active. These settings like that. In a straight line. Then once you activate the first command, it'll activate all the ones behind it. So if you want it to spawn a bunch of mobs, not just a creeper, like that. If you want it to spawn the creeper, a sheep, and a cat, you can go like that, and it'll do all of them. And then you can do it a bunch of times if you want a bunch of creeper, sheeps, or cats. Minecraft just glitched. Oh no, I can't see anything. It's a glitch.
Hello everybody, this is Alex, and now I'm going to show you the command /effect. Now effect is to give you a potion effect, say like levitation, but you can also give it to you with commands. You can say how long you want it, and you can also have no bubbles around you like when you drink a potion. Then type in effect, and then type your gamer tag. If you have spaces in your gamer tag, you want to put quotation marks. Effect, and then you're going to want to put your effect. For example, levitation. And then you're going to put the second to the last. Right now I'm going to do 20. And then you're going to put the strength. For levitation, I suggest 5 or 10. And then, after that, you want to put true, which removes the bubble effects. Then put a lever, switch it on, and you float. And if you want so anyone can try it and stay your gamer tag, you can replace it with @P, which means the closest player to the command block when you activate it.
How did I not think of that? Okay, everyone, there is another command. That is the TP command, which means teleport. In case you didn't know, that is what it stands for. So, if you were typing a command block /TP, and then you could put Well, if you were over next to the command block and you wanted to pull a lever to teleport somewhere, then you would put at P, which would be the nearest player, would teleport somewhere. Now, where you would teleport, you would have to put coordinates. So for that, you can just fly it anywhere. Like say I want to teleport over here. Right up on this hill. You open your, you go into settings. You have to enable something. You scroll down and go to creator. And enable copy coordinate UI. Once you do that, then fly to the spot you want to teleport to. Open your chat. And if you see this thing up here, is my position. Just click this little copy button. It'll say the coordinate has been copied. Fly over to your command block. And then put a space after that. And press this button, which will put those coordinates in there. So basically, now when I pull this, I go over here. Now you can do this like however far you want in the Minecraft world. And if you want to get back, you could always over here put a command block to teleport you back over there. So you can basically make a really easy transport system. So I can copy these. And then put that in there. There. I can switch back and forth between these two locations. Just like that. Now you can also teleport mobs. If you replace at P with an at E. But the problem is that when you do this, it'll actually teleport all mobs. Not just the ones near the command block. So in brackets you can put R equals 4. That means it'll teleport mobs within a 4-block radius. So only mobs that are near the command block will get teleported. So we can test this out. If we can put a creeper here and pull it, it'll also teleport me and the creeper. There is another command that I'm going to put in this tutorial, which would be the summon command. This can basically spawn any mob, even the Ender Dragon in the overworld. That's how you do that. So if you open your command block, this one's very simple. You type summon, you can put the name of any mob. Now, if the mob has spaces in its name, usually you replace it with underscores. So, I guess you could do a creeper, because it doesn't have a space. Now, if you were to put a lever on it, that would spawn the creeper. And like I said earlier, if you want a bunch of the mob, you could set it to repeat, like that. And since it's hard to activate that from close up with all the mobs, you could do a redstone trail like this. Activate it from here, and spawn all the creepers. Oh no, there's way too many. Oh yeah, and here's the command to get rid of mobs, if you want to kill mobs. Oh no. No, there's too many cats. Right now, say you want to kill the creepers. There are actually some commands that you can actually type in the chat instead of in a command block. The difference would be that in a command block, you can run them over and over with a lever, if you want to activate something with a lever. But if you just want to activate something like once, and you want to type it out, you can type it in your chat. Now you type /kill at E, and then in brackets, you can put the type of mob you want to get rid of. So, type equals creeper, because I want to kill all the creepers. And if you were to type that, then you can get rid of them all.
So there is something else that you can do with command blocks. Say you have a ton of command blocks and you can't remember which one does what. Well, you can go over into your command block and go into the hover note in the top left corner, and you can put like TP commands, and it'll appear hovering above the command block.
Okay everyone, if you want to type a few commands in your chat really fast, like how I just typed to kill all the creepers, but you don't want to type it again, if you already just typed it, on PC, if you open up your chat and click the up arrow, you're going to scroll through the command that you last typed. So I can go back to the creeper one and do that again.
Look down there.
What is that?
They're cats.
Why did you put all the cats there?
Because they were, they were just too many.
Well, that's another thing you can do with commands. Spawn a bunch of mobs in a little space.
Yeah,
Everyone,
let's just
if
look
you're
at-
wondering how Alex is doing this and teleporting mobs, for the TP command, you can type TP at E, and then just like the kill command, how I kill all the creepers, you can put type equals whatever mob you want, like a cat. And then once you do that, put a space, and then put at S, and I'll teleport all the cats to you, just like that. And then you can open up your chat and click the up arrow to do the last command again if you want to keep teleporting them.
You can have it raining cats.
Oh yeah, you have it raining cats, or any other mob you choose. I noticed whenever you teleport them, they all run back to the same spot. They're going back to the pit, look. They're running back. I'm not quite sure why they do that, everyone, but for some reason they do. They run back. I don't know why. What are you doing? Whoa! Ah, why'd they go into little chunks?
I have no idea.
Now, if you do teleport a bunch of mobs in a little space, like trapdoors like this, it is very fun. You can open up one side, look, I'm pouring out like that.
Like they're shooting out.
They're shooting out. Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you another command that can be useful if you're making a map, or something where you want to put words on somebody's screen. So if you put down the command block, now you can put like a pressure plate, so it'll be activated when somebody walks in a house or walks in somewhere. Now let me fly up to this thing we built. By the way, this is kind of like a floating village thing. Alright, so you put it in these doors. Now if we place 2 command blocks here, like that, on these doors, and then type something, the title command in them, and then put pressure plates on them, that will activate the title on our screens. Now, it's not supposed to activate the doors, but I think it does. Now open one, and you can type title, @p title, and then type whatever you want to say on the person's screen that walks through the door. And put welcome. And you can type in the other one. Just like that. Your command should look like this. Alright, now you put pressure plates on. Now once they walk in, you can say welcome. Oh, and it will close for them because the pressure plates activate the doors. Now you're probably wondering why in the command, if you look at it, it says title @p title. You're probably wondering why it says title again. That's because there's different types of titles. Now if you put action bar, you can type that, which is another type of title, which will appear above the person's inventory. Like that. Then when you do stuff on that, it would appear right down there.
Alright, now I'm going to show you another command. It's called the set block command. Now with this, you can make, say, an infinite block. So first you're going to want to get your command block, and you can dig a hole in the ground, put it. So in your command block, you're going to want to type set block, then squiggly, squiggly, 1, squiggly. The squiggly and the 1 mean you're going to want to place the block on top of the command block and not inside of it. And then you're going to want to put your block like, say, stone. Then set it to repeat and always active. And then you have an infinite block. It can never be broken.
Okay everyone, now if you're wondering in this command what the always active thing is, that is so when you that's basically so the command block is activated but not by redstone, it automatically activates. You see, when you break the block, it places it back, but if you were it needs redstone, you would need a lever to put the block back. Now you can do this with other commands, but I don't recommend it for the summon command. You see, if I put the summon creeper one to always active, it would kind of do this forever until it fills up the whole Minecraft world. And things, you can't really stop it because you can't really get to the command block because the creepers are blocking it. Anyways, but if you did want it to spawn creepers, but not that many, you can come over here, set it to always active, and put the delay in ticks. You can do it to something like 40, which is delay between each creeper that spawns, so it'll spawn them more slowly. But this could eventually still fill up your Minecraft world, so be careful.
Or you can just put...
Fill up the whole world, right? They're going too fast. Yeah.
Got it.
Ooh.
And everybody, that will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.